tucked away between Monaco and Nice is Villefranche-sur-Mer, one of the most enchanting villages of the French Riviera. It has attracted aristocrats, royalty, and international travelers since the Belle Époque period, from about 1880 to 1920, when it really started to get developed, particularly with large properties such as the one that we're going to be visiting today, of Belle Époque style with beautiful views, as you can see right over here, over the bay of Villefranche-sur-Mer and towards Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, which is again a well-known and iconic location on the French Riviera, within just a few minutes of Monaco. So the property we're seeing today is a 1920s Belle Époque villa with 6 bedrooms, staff accommodation, plenty of light, and these beautiful views behind me. So without further ado, let's go and take a look at this property together. Come with me. Welcome and bienvenue. Come on inside. Filled with light and character is this beautiful entrance hall that welcomes us as we walk into the villa. We have all of the living spaces on this side, and then 3 of the bedrooms, including one of the masters, on this side. So we will start with the living spaces. Come with me. What you will notice first as you come into this lounge are the views. So straight over the bay and Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, the views are really extraordinary. We have these beautiful big bay windows on all sides of the house, so light is aplenty. We have spacious living, so this double séjour, double salon with a fireplace over here. It really is ideal for families, for entertaining friends. It's very elegant in its style with wooden floors. Of course, we have integrated air conditioning and heating throughout. And then from all the living spaces, we have access onto terraces, one of which I cannot wait to show you. It's beautiful and it's right behind me. Come with me. The spherical shape and the pillars and details, of course the views as well from this terrace, make it really a wonderful entertaining space for family, friends, lovely summer evenings. And then out of season, because we have the glass all around us to shelter from any wind, it's really a space that can be used year-round. So for formal dining, if you're not outside on the terrace that I just showed you, we have this lovely dining space here that joins with the fully fitted kitchen. So the kitchen can be closed with these doors here. So it's a semi-open kitchen, very practical if you're cooking to be able to close the doors. And the kitchen itself is in just perfect condition with an access onto a breakfast terrace as well. Fully fitted with high-end appliances. It's a very functional and very lovely kitchen to entertain and welcome guests. This is the breakfast terrace with a lovely little sunny spot to eat, as well as you can see, pizza oven. It's an informal, easy space and has a lot of charm. Perfectly practical right next door to the kitchen. We're passing back through the main entrance hall, having visited the living spaces with that lovely spherical terrace. And we'll start with the bedrooms. There are 3 on this level, 1 on this side with lovely sea views and an ensuite bathroom, and then a second on this side with garden views, ensuite as well. And then the main bedroom of this level. 3 lovely big windows in this bedroom let in plenty of light and really make the view just extraordinary from the bed. Now, in this bedroom we have a full bathroom as well as a dressing room and of course this lovely light, spacious feel. This lovely marble staircase leads up to the other bedrooms and office, which we'll go and take a look at now. We're going to start with the office, which is over here. It could of course be a bedroom. It's very spacious and light with a lovely terrace access. We will then visit the main bedroom on this level and another bedroom. From this terrace up here, we really get an incredible view of the prestigious luxury homes that are in this area of Villefranche-sur-Mer and Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat. We have Monaco within only 15 minutes drive in this direction, Nice International Airport only 30 minutes in that direction, incredibly conveniently located. This is the second master bedroom, again with plenty of windows to really maximize the views below, plenty of light, ensuite bathroom and dressing room, and then access to another terrace on the other side of the villa. It's really one of the wonderful features of this property that every room has access to an outdoor space, so everyone has their own little space to enjoy the views, to enjoy a bit of quiet time. It's a special feature. I always love to take note of fun features, just like this shower room that has a built-in window so that you can see the view from your shower. We have the beautifully fitted dressing room behind me, full bathroom, and then access onto the main terrace for this bedroom. Before we end this tour together today, I want to mention some final features, which include a 3-car garage with direct access up into the home. And then on this level, the garden level, we have a games room, a sports room, staff accommodation, a laundry, and a lovely wine cellar to complete the offering on this property. So if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact me. My name is Alice from Fine & Country on the French Riviera, and we hope to see you here again very soon. À très bientôt!